P to the S. Burps. No S. Burp. Okay. Burp. B to the U to the R to the P. It was so fake.
So real. I failed.
Yep. I need another can. Wait, it's coming. Okay, it's coming. Hold on. Give it a second. There it is. Okay. Burping. Okay.
Failure.
Sorry. Anyways, burping. People think it's disgusting, and we don't know why. We actually think burping is fun. See? You can burp the ABCs. You can talk to your friends while burping. It's fun, man.
Our point is burping rules.
Okay? And you people that think burping is nasty, what's wrong with you?
Or if you think it's immature, then you must have some mental problems.
You're immature. Burping helps us. Do you want to fart instead?
Yeah. I don't think so.
Okay, I don't think you want to do that. I would rather burp in front of people instead of fart, okay? Coming out the other way. I don't think so.
Coming out the other way.
Yeah, it goes down and then. See? That's so better.
Fatality.
And for you people that think it's immature just because us girls do it, you're immature, okay?
Oh, and guys, we think it's gross. It's not gross. You're being gross by saying that it's gross. Get it? It's
And
ugly.
most guys, if you're kind, also burp. Okay, so what are you talking about?
We can burp too.
I can burp the ABCs all the way up to I.
I can only make it to C or A.
She sucks. No, really? Yeah, I need another can. Anyways,
Okay, so.
burping is a natural process of life, okay? So if you people that think burping is disgusting or immature, you're being disgusting and immature. Okay? So, just grow up. Just grow up, man. Like, burping is natural. You all do it. I bet you, people that think it's immature or gross, you're just calling yourself immature and gross, okay? Because I bet you burped once in your lifetime. Alright? So, yeah.
You probably burp every day.
And you're hiding it, like you don't burp, okay? That's not right.
Oh, and if you leave bad comments on this, then really we're not going to even answer to you because burping is awesome. And if you reply saying that it's nasty, well, then
You're nasty.
You're nasty.
You're just a weird person, okay? Alright? So, from now on, you people that think burping is something you should be ashamed of, you shouldn't be. Burp loud and proud, man. Loud and proud.